guys, so I asked you in my Albertsons video if you wanted to see a recipe video from me, so I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you. And crockpot recipes are seriously the easiest recipes. So I will have this recipe in the description box in case you guys wanted to go ahead and recreate this recipe. So today we're making Mississippi pot roast. So you're going to need a 3 to 4 pound chuck roast, but I'm going to cut it in half because we're not going to need to feed that many people tonight. Then you need a 1/4 cup of butter, au jus sauce, and then ranch mix, like dry salad mix, and then pepperoncinis. And then of course you're going to need your crock pot. So then what you're going to do is you're going to place the meat first, and then you're going to pour the au jus packet and the ranch packet, and then you put the butter on top, and then you put 5 to 6 pepperoncinis on top as well. Cover the lid, and then we're going to set this guy on low for 8 hours. So this is seriously so easy. All you do is drop the stuff in and wait all day for it to cook. So, and then I'll be serving this over mashed potatoes, which I'll show you what I do with my mashed potatoes a little bit later. Alrighty, so we season our potatoes with ranch dry mix, and then I add in some butter and then whole milk, and then we just blend it all in this KitchenAid mix. And then this is your final product, your meat and potatoes.
Just gotta make sure you don't burn your hand.
Yeah.
Because if you burn your hand and drop the plate, then it kind of ruins it.
Was your dinner husband approved?
Was my dinner husband approved?
Is this something you would want again?
Sure.
Is this father-in-law approved?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Now say like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
Like, comment, and
Subscribe
subscribe
for more videos.
for more videos.